Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about radical equations, and we're going to solve each equation, but remember to check for extraneous solutions. So if I was given this equation, the square root of 4n equals n. Well, to solve that, I'm going to square both sides, right? Eliminate that square root. And in doing so, I'm left with 4n equals n squared. Let's bring everything over to one side. So we have 0 equals n squared minus 4n. Remember, that's subtracting a 4n to both sides. Be careful. If you're not seeing that, pause for a second, think about it. That's me subtracting a 4n, not dividing, right? We're subtracting. If you need the help, imagine there's like a plus 0 over there, okay? So let's factor this. Well, that factors to be n times n minus 4. And so my two solutions here that work are n equals 0 and a positive 4. So I need to check both those answers to see if they're real or extraneous. So let's go to our check here. What's the first one with n equals 0? My equation, 4n equals n. Let's plug 0 in. Looks like an h, but 0 in for n. So I have 4 times 0 here equals 0. 4 times 0 is 0. Fantastic. 0 does, in fact, equal 0, right? Square root of 0 is 0. Good. So 0 is a true solution. Fantastic. Not extraneous. But we got another one to check. So n equals 4. We can't forget it. So the square root of 4n, right, equals n. Don't need that big of a square root, but it's all good here. So square root of 4n equals n. From there, I need to plug 4 in. So I have 4 times 4 equals n. 4, oh my goodness, it's getting late. This is late at night. I'm recording this. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16, so we have square root of 16 equals 4, and square root of 16 is in fact 4. Fantastic. So 4 does equal 4. So wait a minute, we have two solutions here, right? Both are true, none are extraneous. So my two solutions are 0 equals 4, or n equals 0 and n equals 4. Not 0 equals 4, that's stupid. Okay, so let's recap. I took my radical, I squared it, right? I squared both sides, eliminated the radical, then brought everything over. So I had n squared minus 4n, and that equaled that 0. Then I factored, so I had n times n minus 4, set both parts equal to 0, and got n equals 0, n equals a positive 4. I then had to check for my extraneous solution. So I put 0 into my original equation. When I simplified it, I got left side equals 0, right side equals 0. They're both equal. Fantastic, true solution. Great. I did the same thing with n equals 4. When I plugged it in, I ended up with the square root of 16 here, right? And the square root of 16 is 4. And so left was 4, right was 4. Both were the same. Great, fantastic. Put a little check mark next to it. Felt great. And so I confirmed that I had no extraneous solutions in this case, and my two answers for my final answer, and those answers are n equals 0 and positive